975 out of Waco, aka Moody, Texas, where their tower is, and that's a few miles south of Waco, is talking about a severe tornado near Burnet. Let me show you where Burnet is. 35 miles away. Let's go 35 miles. Okay.
It's over. We've got some very dangerous weather conditions back across the area.
Here's Leander. Leander's about 16 miles. And here's Burnet, 35 miles away. Actually make that 38 miles away. So there's been a tornado reported in Burnet, so people in Burnet County be very careful. Thanks to good old 975, we're getting the information. I've known 975 since 1994, so they're a very reliable pop station. Here's the sky. Man, it's a very blurry day today.
South and east as well, so we're not out of the woods, Wes.
Yep, that's right. We're still watching the cell in Hamilton County. I'm going to turn the lightning back on for a second. You can see that it is tracking to the north.
That was just a straight lamp. See, there's straight lamps over here. And there's lightning going on over in this direction.
It is still developing. We're watching more lightning strikes towards the dark peaks.
Whoa, nice sky. Also, it's darker because the sky, the thing's tinted over here.
I can grab that line. There we go. You can see those bright pinks. That's indicating very, very strong rain.
Thank you. Sky over here. I'll have to get back home before I can show you radar. Apparently, it's not showing any alerts on the rain
Just about as much
on
as
here.
a tornado can if you're caught with those straight line winds. Down towards the south, lots of lightning through across Burnet County up into Lampasas.
That's one bloody moon. It's covered over there, but it looks so far away the camera. Meanwhile, there's a plane that's not as far as the camera makes it. The camera always makes everything look very far.
We've had pictures of it as a rain-washed tornado, which is by far not the most dangerous kind because A, you cannot see them.
"12 to 18 minutes in Burnet County, a tornado warning." Okay.
If you can, you want to
Talk to you guys later. I am home. Bye, guys. And also want to say goodbye to 975. Thank you so much for the weather update. 975 KWTX Waco, Tim McLean, Austin. Bye. Pop music.